Okay, I really hope my boyfriend doesn't see this video, because I'm going to share his secret about how he kept me up all night last night. I snuck a peek at his phone to see if he was cheating on me, and ended up looking at his search history, where he was looking for natural ways to improve his performance in bed. After a lot of searching, he found a video teaching me about a new trick called Salt Trick that I had never heard of. I was happy because things really weren't going the best in bed, and I say this with no pride at all, but thoughts of breaking up with him because of this crossed my mind last night. I saw him preparing a strange recipe at home before we went to the bedroom, and I figured it was the salt trick. 15 minutes later, I was in bed reading a book, and he simply snatched the book from my hand, gave me a breathtaking kiss, and I felt something really hard touching me down there after that. We stayed up all night doing, you know what, I'm so happy because we haven't had a night like this in years, and now I'm sure our relationship will improve a lot. I'll leave the link below for you to access the recipe because it can transform your performance and improve your intimate life. Don't wait for something serious to happen, like your girlfriend breaking up with you because you can't satisfy her anymore, or even worse, being cheated on because of it. But keep in mind, this recipe is complicated. That's why they created Nitrox Pro, a simple, powerful solution to boost blood flow and restore your confidence easily. Stocks are running low, so don't wait. Click the link below and grab yours.